Hi everyone, Ali here and Penny, who is resting on the couch. And we're going to do a little bit of work on one of my favourite nursery rhymes, Two Little Dickie Birds. So this will be loads of fun if you can have somebody else do it with you. So if you have a grown-up or brothers and sisters at home, get them to join in with you. There are 3 different parts that you need to have. So you need your 2 little birdies, your 2 little Dickie birds. And for the beginning, they're going to have a little chat with each other. So they might be chatting about the day or what they've been up to and how they're getting on. So get your 2 little birdies ready and they're going to have a little chat. Tweet, 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 oh, tweet, 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 oh, tweet, 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 oh, tweet, 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 oh, tweet, 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 or whatever they're going to chat about. So when I play my red drum like this, that's going to be our birdie chat. So when you hear me doing this on my drum, that's when your birdies are tweet, 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 tweet. And when my drum goes, your birdies are going to stop. Okay, so that's the first part. Next part is the poem. So we have 2 little Dickie birds sat on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Can we do it again? That's the second part that we need. So get your 2 little birdies ready. 2 little Dickie birds sat on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. And the last part we have. Tweet, tweet, said the birdie, tweet, tweet, said the bird. Tweet, tweet, said the birdie, tweet, tweet, said the bird. Can we put it together? Our poem and our tweet, tweet and our tweet, tweet. Using our high voice and our low voice. So, 2 little Dickie birds sat on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Tweet, tweet, said the birdie, tweet, tweet, said the bird. Tweet, tweet, said the birdie, tweet, tweet, said the bird. Can we put the 3 parts together? So the first part being your little birdie chat. And when it stops, get your birdies ready. Then we'll do our poem and our tweet, 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 tweet. Yeah? So let's have a little birdie chat. Tweet, 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 tweet. 2 little Dickie birds sat on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Tweet, tweet, said the birdie, tweet, tweet, said the bird. Tweet, tweet, said the birdie, tweet, tweet, said the bird. Good, well done. So I am using my normal voice, my speaking voice. But we can have so much fun by changing the voice that we use. So now we're going to play around with some voices that I choose. And later on, if you want to do this again, you can choose your own voices or get your grown-ups to choose some voices. So I'm just going to say something and then we're going to try it. So what if we try our cheeky voice? Our cheeky voice for our poem. Can we try it? 2 little Dickie birds sat on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Tweet, tweet, said the birdie, tweet, tweet, said the bird. Tweet, tweet, said the birdie, tweet, tweet, said the bird. What about our shocked voice? 2 little Dickie birds sat on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Tweet, tweet, said the birdie, tweet, tweet, said the bird. Tweet, tweet, said the birdie, tweet, tweet, said the bird. little birds ready. Here we go. Two little Dickie birds sat on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Tweet, tweet, said the birdie. Tweet, tweet, said the bird. Tweet, tweet, said the birdie. Tweet, tweet, said the bird. Let's do two more. Two of my favorites. Let's do our disgusted voice. Ugh, gross. Here we go. Two little Dickie birds sat on a wall. Ugh, one named Peter, the other named Paul. Ugh, fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Ugh, come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Tweet, tweet, said the birdie. Tweet, tweet, said the bird. Tweet, tweet, said the birdie. Tweet, tweet, said the bird. Last one. Let's do our cowboy voice. Yee-haw! Here we go. Two little Dickie birds sat on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Yee-haw, said the birdie. Yee-haw, said the bird. Yee-haw, said the birdie. Yee-haw, said the bird. So, we might add some drumming. And you can do it at home. Maybe choose, we can choose now. Let's do our shocked voice. Let's do our angry voice maybe. And let's finish with the cowboy voice for a bit of fun at the end. So we'll do shocked, angry, cowboy. So let's put everything together. Get your birdies ready for their chat first. Here we go. Off you go, chat. And try out all the different voices and have loads of fun. I'll see you soon. Bye.